Is it possible to receive files inside of our live chat widgets inside of HighLevel? Yes, it's super easy. It's already set up for all of our chat widgets, but even cooler than that, we can also have our conversation AI read these files. We can read images and PDFs inside of our chat widget. It's super cool, so let me show you how it works. So you don't have to do anything to turn this on. Just make sure you have a chat widget selected and created. And we have one selected here on a website here. You can see this is our digital marketing site. And under our chat widget, this works with live chat. And once they are uploaded, your customers or the user end can see the images and the PDFs uploaded in the chat here. And in order to send them, all you have to do is type a message and then send just like that. And you will see a live link of the image, which will be stored inside of your Google APIs. So as you can see, here's the image here. And it's as simple as that. But one step further, which makes this really cool, whenever you use live chat alongside conversation AI, we can actually have our conversation AI read these images and use them in order to formulate a response. So this is really cool. If we navigate back to our agency, go to AI agents and conversation AI, as long as we have an agent created in order to handle our live chat, so that means it's on autopilot, and then we have our supported channels selected as live chat, then we can scroll down on this first page and we can toggle on, allow this bot to respond to images. And by toggling that on, it means it will be able to actually read the image that the customer sends inside of the live chat and then give them an answer right then and there. So you can think of a lot of great use cases for this. I would use this in something like a customer support bot where they can screenshot their screen, send it, and then the AI can create a response based on the screen. Or you can come up with lots of really cool use cases to use this live chat image functionality with conversation AI. If you have any questions about using the file upload feature of the Conversation AI live chat, feel free to just drop it in the comments or check out the rest of the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.